guys, welcome back to my channel, and from today I will be starting a realism challenge. What we are going to do is try drawing different objects realistically. So in this video I will be showing you to make this key, realistic key. This is the output. So let's get into it. So first step we need to do is grab a reference photo. So in the start you can see me clicking a bit photos of a real key to get the proper reference photo, and you can take the one which I have used, or take a key and take a couple of pictures of it and select the best one you like and use your own reference photo. Step number 2. The major things in drawing realistically are highlights and shadows. Be sure to mention them properly. So let's get into it. Enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your artistic friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified of all my new videos, and also comment down what you think and which topic will you like the next video to be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.